Korean bulgogi, how do we make it? Let me show you. These 4 are all you need. From the left, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and black pepper. Easy common ingredient. For 200 grams of meat, soy sauce 1 tablespoon, sesame oil half a tablespoon, sugar half a tablespoon, and finally a few shakes of black pepper. Also, you can use any main ingredient of your choice. Beef, chicken, pork, or even tofu and vegetables. Add your marinade to the meat and mix it. For more flavor, you can add minced garlic, ginger, onion, and carrot. Preheat the pan, but start cooking it on medium-low heat. When the water starts boiling, it's almost done. Then, add your green onion and sesame on top and it's ready to eat. Wait! How long should I marinate it? It depends. For thin slices, you can cook them right away. For thicker meat, you may wait for half an hour up to overnight. More explanations are in the description. 안녕!